Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, June 14th, and today is a good day for a party. So we have party animals. Listen up, you party animals. It's time to party on with this whimsical collection from Timeless Treasures. Confetti, balloons, cupcakes, and sharks in party hats are ready to celebrate with you. This particular piece of fabric is so funny. We were just looking at all of their expressions. There's one taking a nap over here. Very cute. And then we've got this nice toss with bunches of great words in it. One year I made some reusable gift bags. This would be a great fabric for that. You just kind of make a little bag and run a ribbon through the top, and then it's better than those paper reusable bags that you have to rip the tag off when it says from grandma or whatever. That's a really fun print. And then we have confetti. Well, that's kind of a skinny bolt. That's an 8-yard. And then we have those fun cupcakes. Ooh, that makes me hungry. Might be time for some lunch. And then I just wanted to point out that the Cake Day table runner pattern by Villa Rosa Designs would be really cute for this line. You could have your own table runner to toss out for fun events. This is one I made about a week ago using the Soiree collection, and we just got the kits put together this morning. So now we have these kits that you can make the exact same thing I made, and the pattern is in there for you. So I'll link to the kits and to the pattern by itself, and then of course to the collection of fabric that we were looking at earlier for today's reason to celebrate. I hope you have a great afternoon. Find a reason to celebrate. There's no reason not to. And we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.